Folks, Norm the teacher here with another 3-minute introductory metalworking lesson. Okay, for those of you that have been following me on this series of videos, I now have all of the teeth ground into all of the gears, all three of them. And what I want to show you in this video is the spin index itself, this device here. Whenever you do a gear, you have to count the number of teeth that are going to be on it. And in this case, it's 17 teeth. And you have to take 360, there's 360 degrees in a circle, and divide that by 17. And that gives you the number of degrees that you have to increment the gear or the spin index by to cut each tooth. And you want to do that on paper. When you take 360 and divide it by 17, you get 21.18 degrees. Now, a spin index is not capable of doing a 0.18 degree increment. And so I just settled for doing 21 degrees because I'm dealing with a flexible rubber belt that this gear is driving, and it works. But if you had metal gear driving metal gear, that 1/8 that 1800ths of a degree could make a difference. And there's another device that's called a dividing head for doing fractions of one degree. But for right now, that works. So the 21 degrees, write down every one that you're going to have to do and do it with a calculator. The first one is 0 degrees. That's where when you cut your first tooth, this wheel here, the numbers represent degrees in tens. So take the number and multiply by 10, that's 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees. Now the numbers on the steel here, embossed in the steel, they represent your 1 degree increments. And so the very first gear that you cut, or very first tooth you cut, it'll be at 0 here and 0 here. And you cut your tooth by turning your dial, moving it in like this as the cutter is rotating, and then you increment to the next one. Okay, so I've covered this here, writing everything down, calculating everything with a calculator. In the next video, I'm going to have to finish this up because I don't have time to tell you how to increment this. That'll be the next video. So for right now, so long, and I'll see you in the next video, probably tomorrow.